Cost of cleaning curtains, blinds, or drapes in Singapore. Welcome to our channel where we discuss cleaning services in Singapore. In today's video, we'll be discussing the cost of cleaning curtains, blinds, or drapes in Singapore. When it comes to cleaning curtains, blinds, or drapes, many homeowners are often confused about the cost and the process. Here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Cleaning method. The cost of cleaning curtains, blinds, or drapes depends on the cleaning method used. There are two common methods used in Singapore: dry cleaning and steam cleaning. Dry cleaning is the more expensive method, but it's also more effective at removing stains and dirt. Steam cleaning is more affordable, but it's not as effective as dry cleaning. 2. Type of material. The type of material also affects the cost of cleaning. Some fabrics require special care, which makes the cleaning process more expensive. For example, silk and linen curtains are delicate and require special attention, which increases the cost of cleaning. 3. Size and quantity. The size and quantity of curtains, blinds, or drapes also impact the cost. Larger curtains require more time and effort to clean, which increases the cost. Similarly, if you have multiple curtains or blinds to clean, the cost will be higher. 4. Additional services. Additional services such as stain removal or deodorizing can also increase the cost. It's essential to discuss these services with the cleaning company beforehand to avoid any surprises. 5. Discounts. Some cleaning companies offer discounts if you have multiple curtains or blinds to clean. It's worth asking if they have any promotions or packages available. Conclusion. The cost of cleaning curtains, blinds, or drapes in Singapore varies depending on several factors. The cleaning method, type of material, size and quantity, additional services, and discounts all impact the final cost. It's essential to discuss these factors with the cleaning company to get an accurate estimate. We hope this video has been informative for you. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips and tricks in Singapore.